everybody. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about how to plot a bar chart using Groupby. So first we import Kiddos-AK, and then next, wait, what happened? I don't know what happened, guys, but just something happened. All right. Anyways, df equals a pd dot read csv. Okay, so let's take this data to CSV. See if this works. Okay, so okay, here it is. Yeah, so it has everything. Okay, now we're trying to group by city, which I hope, yeah, does have some duplicates with salary. We're gonna group it with salary. So to do this, is do df dot group by df dot group by city. I believe, I don't know, it's capital. With salary dot sum. Okay? Now if we just group by this, it's just gonna show us the addition, the sum. But we're trying to make a bar chart. So to do that, it's same thing, but we just have to add in some touches to this. Okay, so anyways, the touches we need to add. Okay. Are okay, let me try remembering this. Okay, is it? Yeah, I got it. So anyways, on stack, I'm pretty sure. So on stack, that's what we do so it doesn't like stack it on top of each other basically. On stack, and then we do it's hard. It's hard. Then again, the lot, and then time, because when we're doing a bar chart, equals to bar. Pretty sure. Let's work. Okay, let's see what's wrong with it. So value error index is to be multi-index unstack. Oh, okay. My bad. Okay. So let's see. Right now, it's not showing it. Let's just save this file. Yeah, it's better. Okay. Yeah. So anyways, we saved the file, right? So, oopsies. We forgot one last thing to do. Oh my gosh, that was so funny. I don't know how I forgot this. It was Show. Okay, now it should work. Yeah, here it is. So this is our bar chart, okay, that we have and we grouped it. So as you can see, Mumbai is the highest, very high, and the rest are just like very low, way low. Okay? But this is our bar chart. So yeah, thank everybody for listening to my video. I hope you like it. And bye!